Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm about to put some makeup on. I'm gonna do my nails. Okay, it'll be two separate videos. But a lot of y'all seem to like my get ready with me videos, so that's what this gonna be. I just got through trimming up my eyebrows, cleaning up there. I didn't tweeze nothing. I used this here. That's the way it works. And just pull this and then go against the way the hair grows. And around here, sometimes I get a long hair. Right about here. It'd be long. Turn into a man. Okay, let me stop this foolishness and put on my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. And I ain't going nowhere. I have it in the color Amber Honey. So you can't even tell where I put it because it matches good, but it's going to cover up all this discoloration and freckles and moles and heckles and jeckles. Y'all remember Heckle and Jekyll? I think they were blackbirds or crows or something. Cartoons. Heckle and Jekyll. I knew some brothers. They looked like Heckle and Jekyll. For real. Some people got features like animals. I ain't trying to talk about nobody, but they look just like Heckle and Jekyll. Okay. Got a lot of moles and freckles. Hyperpigmentation. And acne. That's good. I still got stuff going on, but like I said, I ain't going nowhere. I'm just doing this. Okay. I'm gonna put some powder on. Soft Focus Finishing Powder by Black Radiance. I'm trying not to take all day. Okay, that's what this looks like. Get it from Walmart or Amazon. Now I need some blush. Make it look like I got a hint of a cheekbone and a little rosiness. Okay, do I want to put this on my eyes today? Yeah, since I got on like a rosy color caftan. I remember when I was doing the videos called Captivity Caftans outfit of the day. I got so many caftans, y'all. That's when we were on lockdown. I wasn't going nowhere, so I was just wearing caftans. And I got so many. So I think I'm going to start washing them up and selling them on Poshmark. I got too much stuff. Okay, let me do some with these soup coolers. I always use a lip balm chapstick. I always use a lip stain. I like the Ofra. And this is dried up. Usually put a lipstick on top of this. This is just whatever the residue is in this, what you call dough foot sponge. Oops. See, I mess up when I try to do too much. This is what that looks like. Get this off of here. The lip go way up here. It will stain, so I have to get it before it stains it. Okay. Let's wash my hair, y'all. Got it in a bun. I ain't do nothing with the silver. I've been really thinking about embracing my greatness. G-R-E-Y-T. Greatness. Makeup, gray hair, silver hair. Okay. Use this Wet n Wild brow stencil kit. Do I need the stencil? I'm not going to use the stencil though. I got all kind of eyebrow stencils. I don't really need them. I know what my eyebrows are supposed to look like. Dab it. Dab. I said dab it. Because I don't cuss. Sometimes I feel like it. That's good. One eyebrow gonna always look different from the other. Put a light color on the brow bone, right there. You barely see it, but I know it's there. I need to clean up the eyebrows. Okay. I'm going to clean them up with my foundation. Instead of pulling out the concealer, I'm just going to put a little bit, squeeze out a little drop. Just enough to go on the end of that tiny brush. That wasn't a drop in the bucket. No, that's more like it. Hope it ain't too much. If I was going somewhere, I would use the concealer, stuff I'm supposed to use. Okay, got some for the other eye. This looks cleaner than that one. Leave it alone. Now I need a little smokiness on the ends. The outer V, I like to outline my eye. So I don't know why I put it up. Let me see. Right there. Okay, I need some liner. Use a marker type liner. You can use a soft eyebrow pencil too, like a cold pencil. One is always thicker. Leave it alone. Do I want on some lashes, or I think I'm just going to put on a little mascara. This is old. There might be some juice left in here. I ain't supposed to pump it. I'm supposed to twirl it. I'll go from the root to the tip. Right at the ends here. That's all. I ain't putting on no wig. What else I need? Need to do some with these edges, but they migrate edges, so. Okay. So I need some of this banana powder under here. Why not? Who is this by? It's by Revolution. Banana Deep baking powder. Baking. Okay. I'm officially as cute as I'm gonna get today. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for my nail wrap application. It'll be up about 30 minutes after this video shows. Okay. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. It's me looking cute. Let me stop clowning. Bye, y'all.